Shifting to industrial engineering was a big decision for me, and honestly, I had doubts at first. I kept asking myself, is this really for me? But after going through prelims, I realized that this course opened my eyes to the things I never really considered before. One of the biggest things I gained is the importance of connection, being one with a class, with a team, or the whole organization. Before, I used to focus more on individual performance, thinking na as long as I did my part, okay na. But in IOM, I learned that decision making and management are not just about computations and strategies. It's about considering different factors, especially the people involved. At first, I struggled to step out of my comfort zone since I was a shifty. I felt like I had to catch up and prove myself. I focused too much on understanding the technical aspects and I realized na I was neglecting na pala the human side of things. Hindi ako masyadong nakikipag-collaborate kasi iniisip ko na baka mas slow down ko lang sila. But then I saw how teamwork makes everything more efficient. A lesson that really stuck with me from IOM is how different factors affect decision making. One time our group was working on a task and I noticed how each one of us had different approaches. Before, I thought the best way to solve a problem was to be quick and precise. But then I realized that sometimes stepping back and considering different factors and perspective leads to better solutions. One of the most unexpected things I learned is that actions, even the smallest one, can impact others. It made me realize that we all have our role in each other's learning journey. Hindi natin napapansin na even just participating and engaging in discussion can encourage others to do the same. This experience changed my perspective, not just on learning, but on how I want to grow in this field. Looking back, I can say that shifting to this course was the right choice kasi it's helping me grow in ways I never expected and it's making me more adaptable, more open to learning from others, and more aware of how my actions contribute to a bigger system.